Are you an ambitious shutterbug with big dreams of capturing jaw-dropping images? Well, then you've probably heard of the legendary Nikon brand. For ages, Nikon has been the go-to choice for photographers craving top-notch technology and features. But with a gazillion Nikon models floating around, how on earth do you pick the perfect one for you? Fear not! In this video, we'll dissect the top 5 best Nikon cameras, leaving no spec or feature unexplored. We'll spill the tea on their amazingness, dazzling specs, and even price points. Everything you need to make a snap-happy, well-informed choice. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Nikon D3500. Our pick for best Nikon camera for beginners. Hey there, aspiring photographers! Ready to take your skills to the next level? Don't worry, we've got just the camera for you. The Nikon D3500. This little powerhouse may be simple, but it's definitely not lacking in awesomeness. Let's talk about portability, shall we? The D3500 is so lightweight, you'll barely even notice it in your backpack. And those easy-to-use controls? Well, they're like the magical keys to unlocking your creative potential. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to stunningly sharp images. But here's the real game changer, the guide shooting mode. It's like having your very own personal photography tutor right in your camera. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this mode will take you from clueless to confident in no time. Now let's dive into the picture quality. The D3500's high-resolution APS-C sensor is a true superstar. It captures every detail with such finesse you'll be stunned by the results. And if you ever feel like upgrading your lens game, fear not! The D3500 plays well with other lenses, so your photography journey can continue to evolve. So dear photography enthusiast, if you're ready to embark on a journey of stunning images and unforgettable memories, grab yourself a Nikon D3500. Your future masterpiece awaits! Number 4. Nikon Z50. Our pick for best entry-level Nikon camera. Looking for a camera that won't break the bank? Want something compact and portable? Well, say hello to the APS-C model. It's the perfect option if you don't need full-frame image quality, but still want stunning shots without draining your wallet. Now, Nikon has some fantastic DSLRs like the D5600 and D3500, which we'll get to in a sec. But if you're on a budget, the mirrorless Nikon Z50 is the way to go. It's like the superhero of mirrorless cameras, regardless of the price tag. Sure, it may not be as portable as some other APS-C options, but boy does it pack a punch! It's built tough, so you can take it out and about without worry. And with its 20-megapixel crop sensor, say goodbye to those grainy low-light shots. But that's not all, folks. This camera can snap away at a remarkable 11 frames per second. It's like the flash of cameras, capturing every moment with ease. Plus, its autofocus system is lightning fast, ensuring your shots are always on point. So if you want top-notch quality without blowing your savings, the Nikon Z50 is the one for you. Get ready to capture memories like a pro, my friend! Still searching for the perfect Nikon camera? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Nikon D780. Our pick for best Nikon DSLR camera. Say goodbye to blurry shots and hello to the Nikon D780, the ultimate blend of classic DSLR charm and cutting-edge technology. While mirrorless cameras may be all the rage, this bad boy proves that the DSLR still has some tricks up its sleeve. With its lag-free optical viewfinder, you'll never miss a moment. And let's talk about battery life. It's a beast. Say goodbye to constantly swapping out batteries like a squirrel on Adderall. The D780 will keep you shooting for hours on end without breaking a sweat. But don't think this is just any old DSLR. Oh no, this beauty brings together the best of both worlds. When you're in live view mode, it taps into the on-sensor phase detection autofocus system borrowed from the mirrorless Nikon Z6. Translation? Super snappy autofocus that'll make your shots sharper than a samurai's sword. And let's not forget about comfort. The D780 is a dream to hold. with a design that fits perfectly in your hand. No more cramps or awkward camera fumbles. This baby was made for photographers who appreciate the little things. So, if you're ready to step up your game and capture those special moments with style, look no further than the Nikon D780. It's the perfect blend of classic and cutting edge, just like you. Number 2. Nikon Z30. Our pick for best Nikon vlogging camera. Introducing the Nikon Z30, the vlogging world's newest camera sensation. Sure, it may be Nikon's first foray into vlogging-specific cameras, but don't let that fool you. This sleek little gem holds its own against the competition, making it a must-have for all you aspiring content creators out there. Small, compact, and bursting with features, the Nikon Z30 is the perfect companion for capturing life's epic moments. It may not have a viewfinder like its pricier siblings, but who needs that when you've got the same fantastic sensor delivering stunning photos and videos? But wait, there's more. Prepare to be blown away by the built-in stereo mic on the top plate. Say goodbye to muffled audio and hello to crystal clear sound quality. Plus, the fully movable touchscreen and the oh-so-glorious large video recording button make vlogging a breeze. Now, we won't sugarcoat it for you. This little powerhouse does have one tiny drawback. Longer takes in 4K may cause the camera to heat up and drain the battery. But hey, no pain, no gain, right? And trust us, the results are absolutely worth it. So, if you're ready to take your vlogging game to new heights without breaking the bank, the Nikon Z30 is your ticket to vlogging stardom. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Nikon Z6 Mark II, our pick for best Nikon camera overall. Lights, camera, action! Introducing the Nikon Z6 Mark II, the camera that will take your photography game to the next level. Picture-perfect moments? Check. Stunning wildlife shots? Check. High-speed sports action? Double check. We know serious amateurs like you demand nothing but the best, and this camera delivers, sandwiched between its siblings. The Nikon Z7 Mark II and the Nikon Z9? This bad boy is a true all-rounder. It's versatile, it's fantastic, and it's ready to capture your wildest imaginations. When it comes to speed, the Z6 Mark II doesn't mess around. With a burst rate of 14 frames per second, you'll never miss a beat. And the autofocus? It's so precise, it'll make your subjects pop like they're on a red carpet. But wait, there's more. We've got your videography needs covered too. The camera doesn't just capture 4K video. It does it at a mind-blowing 60 frames per second. And with dual memory card slots, including a high-speed CF Express slot, you'll never have to worry about running out of space. So, whether you're capturing nature's beauty or freezing that game-winning moment, the Nikon Z6 Mark II has got your back. Get ready to unleash your creativity and bring your photos to life like never before. Lights, camera, Z6 Mark II. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best Nikon cameras. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which Nikon camera you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.